YouTube, this is Road Kinger 88 here. I am here today to talk to you about counter steering. I know there are many other videos out there, but I wish to try to simplify it and make it a little easier to understand. When I started motorcycling, there were information out there and there's videos out there that kind of explain it, but I didn't fully grasp the concept of it, and I wish today to show you a better understanding of it and to try and help you to gain that understanding. Counter steering is as simple as this. If you're going to turn, your wheel is facing the opposite direction that you're going to go. And again, that's attributed to the tires on there and the roundness that they have on the sides, unlike a car tire, which is more almost square. The square tires on a vehicle, on a car, turns this way. Motorcycle requires you to rotate it so that you can turn into that turn. Okay, YouTube, I hope that gave you a better understanding of counter steering. Again, it was a simpler version. It's just meant to give you a brief idea and hopefully a better understanding of what you're doing when you're out there riding. Now, as always, stay safe, ride on, and I'll see you next time.